Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so summer is officially here, and if you're like me, you want color, but you don't want a heavy high maintenance routine, right? So today I wanted to show you guys, and I wanted to break down this gorgeous breezy inspired eye look. We're gonna be blending some greens, some sky blues, and maybe or adding a little touch of purple. And it looks like it's gonna take hours, but I promise you it's actually incredibly effortless. And it's perfect if you want to wear for everyday wear, if you're that kind of girl. So let's grab your favorite palette, preferably with one with lots of colors, and find a comfortable spot, and let's do our makeup together. The secret to wearing 3 bright colors at once without looking like a watercolor painting gone wrong is all about strategic placement. We're starting right at the inner corner with our green, and we want to press it down gently rather than sweeping it, because this is going to keep the pigment vibrant and wake up the eyes. Okay, now we're going to be dipping into a stunning mid-tone blue, and you want to place this right in the center of the lid. And in a few minutes, you're going to see how easily these two shades want to blend into each other when I use a light circular motion with a fluffy brush. Don't worry about making it strategically precise. The whole beauty of summer makeup is that it feels live-in and effortless. To ground the look and give it some structure, we're bringing in our third color, purple. Instead of a harsh black or brown, this soft purple on the outer corner is going to add some depth and keep the vibe completely ethereal, so just buff it into the outer V. Then I'm going to take a blue and purple gel liner to tie the top and bottom together seamlessly. This is going to be framing your eyes beautiful without needing a heavy liquid liner. Now we need a little bit of hidden definition to make the eyes pop. I'm going in with Revant Black Liner to tightline the upper waterline. And you guys, I swear by this formula because it is unparalleled when it comes to staying put, especially in the summer heat and humidity, or even if you're just going to hitting the pool, you need something that you can trust, and this is completely waterproof. And it basically gives you instant definition. It makes your lashes look twice as thick, but leaves that gorgeous green and blue gel liner completely uncovered. Okay, so since our eyes are doing a lot of the talking with the green, purple, and blue, we need a lip color that balances the cool tones without competing for attention. So you can go ahead and use a berry or a mauve shade. And I like to use this formula because it's nice and smooth. And so I just swipe it on, and then I take my finger to blur the edges. This is going to give like that stain look, effortless, unbothered. Now, if you want to make your makeup catch everyone's eye when you walk outside, you need this 5-second trick. we're going to be placing 2 tiny skin crystals right here on the outer edge of the eyeshadow, a tiny speck of glue, and press them down and let them dry. It adds this incredible playful catching the sunlight sparkle that completely elevates a casual look into something magical. And there you have it, a full 3-color ocean breeze summer look that feels casual, breathable, and beautifully authentic. Between the vibrant colors and the bulletproof Revant Tightline, this look is locked in and ready for whatever your summer day throws at you. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this combo. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Stay sun-kissed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.